Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Okay, now we go for the fourth order Range-Kutta method. Okay, so this is the formula for Range-Kutta method, but the Range-Kutta method, okay, other than yi, we need to know k1, k2, k3, k4. So starting with k1, this is the formula lah. So f ni means that y prime lah. Okay, f means that for y prime. So we need to know the y prime for the Range-Kutta. And then we go for K2. Sebab apa? Kena go K2 sebab kat sini kita boleh settle lah. Okay, K2 ni xi tambah h per 2. Okay, dia akan jadi new nilai untuk nilai kat sini lah, x dia. Nilai y pun berubah lah kat sini. So okay, kat sini kita kena tahu nilai K1. Okay, K1 daripada sini. So sebab tu we need to do one by one. We need to solve K1 first, and then we can, after that only we can solve the K2. Sebab K2 ni kita kena tahu K1. Sebab ada K1 kat sini. H boleh settle, tak ada masalah. Xi also we know the value. Okay, yi also we know the value from the question lah. Yi usually for the y node usually dia memang akan diberikan. Okay, but K1 we need to know from here. Same goes to K3. Okay, without K2 we can't get the answer for K3 sebab sini ada K2. Kita kena cari K2 dulu baru kita boleh settle untuk K3. Okay, same goes for K4. K4 we need to solve the K3, and then only then we can know the answer for K4. Okay, so the question is this one lah. It asks to use the fourth order Range-Kutta. So this is our formula for fourth order Range-Kutta. Okay, so this is the formula for Range-Kutta, this one. Okay, since that we need to know y prime. Kenapa y prime? Sebab kat sini lah. Kat sini f, sini pun f, sini pun f, sini pun f, means that it is y prime. We need to know y prime. So from here, from the equation, okay, bila kita bawa 3y to the right side, okay, and then 2 also to the right side, we can make it y prime stand alone like this one lah. So we know y prime is this one lah. Okay, x ni nilai dia 0 sampai 0.4. So the value will be, okay, the initial one will be 0. Okay, the last one will be 0.4. So that's why 0 until 0.4. But nilai h tu adalah 0.2. So maksudnya 0.2. Lepas tu 0.2 tambah 0.2, 0.4. So we will stop until here only. Okay, sebab nilai x dia we want to know 0 sampai 0.4. So setakat ni je lah. So this is our x node, this is x1, this is x2. Okay, like this one lah. Okay, y node we know from the question lah. Okay, question said that when x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So x equal to 0, then y equals to 1. So this is y node equals to 1 lah from here. So the thing that we don't know is y2 and y3. So we need to use this formula, okay, this formula to get y2 and y3. Okay, then we will compare the values of y2 and y3 from the Range-Kutta with the exact solution. Okay, exact solution, masukkan nilai x dia when x equals to 0, when x equal to 0.2. Masukkan nilai 0.2, letak ni x ni 0.2, x ni 0.2. Then the last iteration need to use x equals to 0.4. So masuklah x ni 0.4, then we can know the y3 for exact solution. Then we will compare, then we find the error lah, perbezaan antara Range-Kutta dengan exact solution. Kita dapat error dia. Okay, sama je, method dia sama je. Sebelum kita solve for the Euler and the Taylor series, dia punya table tu memang macam tu lah, kena dapat at the last result. Kita kena dapat i, xi, yi, Kan? I, xi, yi, and then exact solution. Kan? And then the last one is error. Okay? Yang ni lah kita kena dapat dalam bentuk table. Tapi jangan main tulis je, nanti saya tahu awak meniru ke. Kan? So, every maths needs to use mathematical calculation. Kena ada proses untuk dapatkan. Kena tunjuk jalan kira. Okay? Okay. The formula, this is the Runge-Kutta for order, the formula. So, this is yi tambah 1 equals to yi. Semua sini I. Okay, sini I tambah 1. Okay, means that kalau sini y1, sini adalah y naught, x naught. Okay, semua kat sini naught lah. Dia less than 1 iteration for the right side. Okay, daripada leftnya. Kalau sini y2, sini akan jadi y1, x1 lah kat sini semua ni. Okay, kita akan guna nilai untuk y1 dengan x1 lah bila kita nak tahu y2. Okay, macam itulah. Okay, kita kena untuk kita solve untuk dapatkan nilai y1 tu. Okay, untuk kita tahu nilai y1, kita kena settlekan untuk K1, K2, K3 dengan K4. So, kalau y1 kita use kalau kita nak tahu nilai untuk y1, we will use the x0 dengan y0. So, F ni means that it is the first order lah, kita differentiate for first time. Okay, kita use that formula lah. Formula ni yang tadi saya cakap tu. Okay, we use this formula. Okay, y prime ataupun fxy. Okay, kita use this formula lah. So, ketika x0 adalah 0 lah. 0 darab 2 dapat 0, right? So, y0 adalah 1. So, settle this one. H, kita tahulah memang soalan dah bagi 0.2. So, settle lah K1. After we know the K1, then we can solve the K2. Okay, K2. Sini nampak. Kita untuk set. Okay. Untuk solvekan K2 ni, we need to know K1. So, K1 we know the answer lah. Negative 0.2. Tengok K1. Ni saya gantikan negatif 0.2. Okay. Okay, Y0 kita tahu daripada soalan. Y0 dapat 1. X0 adalah 0 daripada soalan juga. H kita tahu 0.2. Dan kita solve ni, kita dapat nilai dia. F. Okay, kita kena cari nilai F when X equal to 0.1 dengan 0.9. So, kita guna je formula ni, formula yang sama ni. Formula yang sama ni, tapi nilai X dia kita masuk dengan 0.1. 0.1. Nilai X ni kita masuk dengan nilai 0.1 sebab pada soalan ni lah nilai dia adalah 0.1. Okay, nilai Y pula, the value of Y is 0.9. So, dekat sini Y kan, Y. So, this Y we will substitute with 0.9. So, we solve this one. And then we multiply with 0.2, we got this answer. This is K2. Okay, when we know our K2, then we can solve the K3. All this formula from the Runge-Kutta fourth order. Okay, formula ni semua saya dapat pada Runge-Kutta fourth order. Okay, H. Our H, we know our H lah. So, this is our F. And then, we need to know the value of X and Y. So, X0 is 0. H is 0.2. Okay, dia over 2, kita pun over 2 lah. Y0 is 1. And then K2. K2 is from here. This is K2, right? So, we just substitute the K2 into this K2 lah. Okay, into this formula. Then, we got like this one lah. This is what we need to find for F when X equals to 0.1 and X equals, this one is Y. This one is X, right? Ni X, yang ni Y, 0.9261. So, ikut this formula. Ni formula ni masih dapat pada soalan lah. Our X will be 0.1. So, see? Our X will be 0.1. Then, Y here, this Y, we will substitute with this formula. So, then we can get K3. Same goes to K4 lah. K3 ni akan digantikan lah. Then, we got the answer lah. We got the value for X and Y. Then, this value will be substitute into our f, this is our f, okay, our y prime lah, f is y prime lah, okay. We substitute, then we got the answer lah. So we know K1, K2, K3 and K4. Therefore, we can know our Y1. Okay. Okay, as I have said before, we know the K1, K2, K3 and K4. So we substitute all the values into this formula lah. Okay, this one is for Y1. Okay. Okay. Y0 we know the answers from the question. Y1 is the one that we need to find. Okay. So K1, K2, K3, K4, we just substitute. Y0 also from the question is 1. So settle this one, we got Y1. So we got Y1. Okay, Y1. Ni Y1 kan? Ni Y0. Y0 from the question is 1. This value, okay, we put lah the value. Ni K1 negative 0.2. K2 is negative 0.1479 and so on. Okay, so Y1 is 0.8481. So exact solution from the question lah kan. Exact solution tu yang dia cakap, that is exact solution. Macam ni kan, dia cakap the exact solution is this one. So this is the exact solution. So when x equals to 0 for the first iteration, okay, x equal to 0, masuklah x equal to 0 into this equation. Then we got when the x equal to 0, y equals to 1. So tulis y1 kan. And then when x equals to 0.2, okay, x equal to 0.2, so masuklah 0.2 dalam x ni, 0.2 dalam x ni. Okay, this is the formula. This is the x, this is the y. This is the x, this also the x. So x saja kan, x saja. So masuklah nilai 0.2 ni. So we got the value for y. This is the value for y when x equals to 0.2. When x equal to 0.2 for the exact solution, this is the value. This is the value lah di sini. Okay. Okay. Yi ni, y1 we got from here lah. So the error will be 0, 0. So what you need to do, you need to find, okay, for the second iteration when x equal to 0.4. When apa? Sorry. Y2 adalah daripada sinilah, daripada when x equal to 0.2. Y2, okay, memang ambil nilai sinilah. Okay, when x equals to 0.2. When the iteration for x is 1. Samalah yang ni kan. Y1 ni kita ambil nilai daripada nilai k dengan x bila iteration dia adalah x0. Okay, x0. Okay, kita ambil macam tu lah, memang formula dia pun macam tu kan. Kalau Y1 kita ambil nilai yang iteration yang sebelumnya, iteration ketika X0 dengan Y0. So ni Y1 ambil nilai daripada X0 Y0. Okay. Kalau Y2 pun ambil daripada nilai X1 dengan Y1. Okay. So boleh solve lah. Okay. Cuba buat dulu, memang maths memang kena buat. Kalau tak buat, tak tahu. Okay, kena buat.